5 класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, страница 83. English, Spotlight 5, Science, Homework, page 83. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you. You look wonderful today. So do you. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 83. 83. Extensive reading, science. Наука, техника. Exercise number 1. How do you know what time it is? Look at a watch, a mobile phone. What other ways can we use to tell the time? Read text A to find out. Как вы узнаете, сколько время? Смотрите на часы, мобильный телефон. Какие другие способы мы используем, чтобы узнать время? Прочитай текст A, чтобы узнать. The answer. A sundial. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read again and underline the correct word. Listen and check. Прочитайте еще раз и подчеркните правильное слово. Послушайте и проверьте. Sundials. Go outside on a sunny day and look at your shadow. Early in the morning and late in the afternoon, it is long. At lunchtime It is very short. This is because the Earth moves around the Sun, and the Sun is in a different place in the sky at different times of the day. Sundials use shadows to tell the time. They are the oldest way to tell the time. My dear friend, we must do exercise number 3. Make your own sundial. Сделайте свои солнечные часы. The perfect time to make a sundial. How to make it? With a pen, make a hole in the side of the cup, about 5 centimeters from the top. Put small stones in the cup and put the lid on. Make a hole in the lid. Put a straw through the hole in the lid and the hole in the side of the cup. Your sundial is ready. How to use it? On a sunny day, put your sundial on the ground, in a place with no trees or buildings nearby. Find north with your compass and point the straw to the north. At 10 a.m., look where the shadow of the straw is on the lid. Make a mark with the pen. Do the same at 11 a.m. and then every hour until 3 p.m. The next day, look at the shadow and tell the time. Is your sundial correct? My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.